In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video presentation in Prezi. First things first, we're going to need to log into your Prezi account. If you're not already there, head to the Prezi website and sign in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is where all your wonderful ideas and creations are stored. From here, let's move forward by clicking on Create Video. Alternatively, you can open Prezi Video directly from the menu if that's more convenient for you. Now comes the fun part: choosing a template for your video presentation. Prezi offers a variety of engaging templates designed to boost your presentation's impact. Take your time to look through the options and pick one that aligns with your message and style. Remember, the right template can set the tone for your entire presentation, so choose wisely to suit your content and audience. The next step is enabling your camera. This feature allows you to appear on the screen alongside your content, adding a personal touch to your presentation. It helps your audience connect with you as you guide them through your material. Position your camera so that you're happy with your on-screen appearance. It can make a big difference in how your message is received. With your template and camera set up, it's time to start adding your content. Think about the story you want to tell and what information is critical for your audience. You can include text, images, and graphics in the frames of your chosen video layout. Each element can be easily adjusted and customized to fit your design theme, helping you emphasize key points and maintain audience attention. Keep your narrative clear and concise. If you've got graphics or photos that illustrate your points, incorporate them here. Graphics can act as powerful visual reinforcements of what you're saying, making complex information more digestible. Organize your content intuitively, moving from one point to the next with ease. On the side panel, you will find tools to switch between content while recording. This feature allows you to smoothly transition through different slides and elements of your presentation, much like conducting a seamless visual journey. When you're ready to wrap it all up, click the Record button to start capturing your video presentation. Remember to speak clearly and naturally, and feel free to let your enthusiasm for the topic shine through. Once you've finished recording, ensure you save and export your finished video. You'll want to choose the right format and resolution for your audience, making sure it's accessible for wherever you intend to present or share it. And that's how you make a video presentation in Prezi. Now you're equipped to create engaging and dynamic presentations that capture the essence of your message while captivating your audience. Happy presenting!